Part 7, Estimation. So whenever there is a large number of quantities, if it not possible to count how many numbers are there, that time we can use estimation. For example, you are going to watch the cricket match. After watching the cricket match, you came to home. That time your father asked you how many members are there in a stadium. That time you can't count how many people are watching there. So you roughly said, so there is some 30,000 people or 40,000 people watch the match. But you are not saying exactly how many people are watching the match. But you are saying some rough image, that is called as the estimation. Okay, so next we are going to see about rounding off by estimation. So rounding off by estimation means you are rounding some number to the nearest zero. So that is called as a rounding off. For example, so if there is a number 215, you want to round this number to the nearest 10. So what is in the 10th position? 1. So you have to see the right side of the number. What is the right side number? That is the 5. If the number is 5 or greater than 5, you have to add 1 to the 10th position. That means you have to write 202, and then you have to rounding off, that means you are rounding to the nearest 0, so you have to put it as 0. So that is 215 is nearest to which number? 220. So if the right side number instead of 5, some other numbers are there, that is less than 5. For example, if the number is 211, then what you have to do? So first you have to choose the 10th position, that is the 1, and then you have to look the right side number, that is 1, that is less than 5. That means you have to write the number as it is. 10th position value, you have to write the 10th position as it is. So 2, 1 and then put 0. So the answer is 210. That means 211 is nearest to 210. Next one is estimation to the nearest tens by rounding off. That is, we are going to rounding off to the nearest 10th position. So for example, if there is a number like 3,243, so for this number, we are rounding off to the 10th position. That is, what is in the 10th position? It is 4. So you have to look at the right side number. So what is in the right side number? That is 3. So if the right side number is 5 or greater than 5, add 1 to the place value of 10th positions. Otherwise, you have to write the number as it is. So I am saying here right side number is less than 5. So that means you have to write the number as it is. So that is the answer is 3,240. So what is the nearest 0 value for 3,243? 3,240. So estimation to the nearest 100 by rounding off. So what is in the 100 position? So the 100 position is 2. So you are rounding, now you are going to rounding up to the 100 position. So that means you have to see the right side number. What is in the right side number? Right side number is 4. So if the number is 5 or less than 5, so you have to write the number as it is. So that is 3,200. So the nearest 100 position to the number is 3,200. Okay, so next one is an estimation to the nearest 1,000 by rounding off. So you are going to rounding to the which number? 1,000 position. So what is in the 1,000 position? That is a 3. So you have to look up at the right side number. What is in the right side number? That is 2. So it is less than 5. That means you have to write the number as it is. So the nearest 1,000 position is an 3,000. Okay, so if the number is 7, 8, 6 and 1 second 7. For this number, first round to the nearest 10. So what is in the 10th position? 6. So you have to look at the right side number. What is in the right side number? That is 7. So 7 is greater than 5. That means you have to add 1 to the place value 10. So that means you will get the number as 7,870. So the nearest 10th position, what is the nearest 10th position for this number? 7,867, 7,870. So if I am rounding up to the nearest 100, so what is in the 100 position? The 100 position is an 8. So you have to look at the right side number. Right side number is greater than 5. That means you have to add 1 to the 100 place value. So you will get the number as 7,900. That means the nearest 100 value to the number 7,867 is an 7,900. So now next one is rounding off to the nearest 1000 position. What is in that 1000 place value? 7. So you have to look at the right side number. What is in the right side number? That is 8. So 8 is greater than 5. So that means you have to add 1 to the number. So now it will become 8000. So the nearest 1000 value to 7,867 is an 8000.